Welcome everybody, Jameson C. Montgomery here. So I have another example video that I'd like all of you to take a look at. This is going to help you locate the temporalis muscle. Now some of you had questions, emailed me, and hopefully this video will resolve a lot of questions that you may have regarding the temporalis muscle. It's one of the two muscles that I explain constantly in order to get that relief that you're looking for. Because when you have something as very mysterious as Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, you're going to have pressure in the ears, you're going to have these clicking sensation sounds, and you're going to have a lot of constant buildup of congestion. A lot of you have explained this. So as you see here on the video, the gentleman here is locating the temporalis muscle, which is right around the region here, right where you can see he's targeting. And that's where you're going to want to find that trigger point. That trigger point is going to really help you feel so much better. You have to stay consistent. Now, if you're not getting relief right away doing this massaging, like I told you, a lot of the times it's because with all the wear and tear and all the time that it took finding out that you have a jaw problem, a muscle problem in that area, which is pertaining to a lot of the symptoms that you face with tinnitus, TMJ, Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, patulous Eustachian Tube Disorder. It's going to be predominantly because of these two muscles, the temporalis muscle and the masseter muscle. So this video is going to help you locate exactly how to find that relief. You know, this is going to be something, again, that you're going to have to do consistently. You can't just start massaging that area and expect immediate results. Try to stay consistent with it. I wanted to keep this video short because I know it's going to help a lot of you out there who are dealing with this condition, who are being turned to allergies as the main component of why you have it and why it's still there. Not to necessarily say that allergies is never the problem, but I have seen more cases where this is a problem than not. So I hope this video is going to help you. Leave your comments in the description down here and let me know if this is going to be helpful for you. I'll put more videos and content out, and I hope you get relief. Talk to you all soon. Take care, everybody. Alrighty, my wellness people, that concludes our topic for today. I'm going to go ahead now and step out of the J Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well is doing well is living well. Take care, everybody, and happy healing.